Mango tree leaf galls are a disturbing sight, which can potentially cause serious damage to the yield of the tree. Mango gallfly, also known as Procontarinia matteiana, is an orchard pest that infests fresh leaves of mango, forming wart-like structures on the leaves. Serious outbreaks may result in reduced fruit yield. Gall midge larvae feed within plant tissue, causing abnormal plant growth, called galls that can damage to mango leaves, flowers, fruit and shoots. The adult insect is very small, 1 to 2 mm long. These insects are characterized by black eyes, a gray head and antennae, a yellow thorax and abdomen, and tiny gray hairs on its body. The larva is yellow in color. The eggs of these insects are very tiny and laid within the plant tissue. When galls are close together, they can form larger and more varied shapes in the leaf.